by work done by teacher to encourage community, parents, alumni, etc. to contribute to the school in any way possible. For example, physical infrastructure, computers, midday meal, funds, book, etc. Kalanchi Junior Basic School is located at Kalanchi, a remote village in Gaikhata block of North 24 Parganas district. The river Ichamati flows by its side. Most of the inhabitants of the village are agriculturalists. At present, the total number of teachers in the school is 5. Most of the teachers travel from home, so teachers cannot provide extra time other than the school schedule prescribed by the government. Dr. Arup Mojumdar, however, is exceptionally skilled and with the highest education. To be honest, thanks to Mojumdar's effort, Kalanchi Junior Basic School has now established itself as one of the leading primary schools in the Gaighata circle. Dr. Arup Mojumdar has been working for the last 15 years to improve the school environment by keeping in touch with the parents of the students in the village as well as the alumni of the schools, various NGOs and the social organizations. We can highlight these issues in sequential order. The guardian of the village always come forward for the betterment of the school because Dr. Arup Mojumdar has maintained a good relationship with each guardian. After the school holidays, he regularly visited the homes of 5 students every day and discussed education with their parents. So the people of the village came forward voluntarily for the betterment of the school. Secondly, although the school furniture came from the government, it got damaged and unusable after a while. In this case, until the government assistance is received, at the call of Dr. Arup Mojumdar, the people of the village initially make it suitable for renovation or use. Thirdly, alumni of the school who are now established in different fields are also called upon by the school to grant at different times for the betterment of the school. Here again, the response because the improvement of the school day by day has become a matter of joy for the alumni. Due to combined efforts of the alumni at different times, the school has got chair, tables, blackboard, whiteboards, etc. Fourthly, Kalanchi Junior Basic School is located at Bonga subdivision. This subdivision is located on the India-Bangladesh border. As a result, there are different rules and regulations. But the rules and regulations were kept completely intact and Dr. Arup Mojumdar and Shomor Kanti Mondal, the acting headmaster or the teacher in charge of the school, have made a great step in keeping the school in touch with Indian Border Security Force. A laboratory with 4 computers has been set up in the primary school mainly with the efforts and the grants of the Indian Border Force. Although students could not use computers due to pandemics, but Dr. Arup Mojumdar is regularly using the lab to teach them through online. During this pandemic period, from the Kalanchi Basic Junior Primary School, with the effort of Dr. Arup Mojumdar and the help of the acting headmaster, a non-profit program called Online Teaching was formed. The program is now well known all over West Bengal. Moreover, every year a tree planting festival is organized in the school on the occasion of World Environment Day. Each parent is personally invited to the festival by the school. The elders of the village planted saplings in the school on that day and also distributed saplings. So the school has plenty of trees now. The next point is the parent of the village actively participated and took responsibility for the Saraswati Puja of the school. Parents are not mean in distributing offerings and providing materials for puja. However, this is only because Dr. Mojumdar has easily accepted and welcomed all the guardians. Regularly parent meetings in the school where the views of education loving people and elders including Gram Panchayat members are given priority. Regular national flags are hoisted on glorious days like 15th August, 26th January, 22nd October, etc. In this case also parents are given priority and older educators are urged to give speeches. The day is celebrated with the parents including the students on their birthday of the great wiser. There is an attempt is made to bring out a procession every time. Health awareness campaigns are carried out in phases so that parents including students are also aware of healthy lifestyles. Midday meals are served to maintain regular hygiene. High and low benches have been arranged so that the children can sit and eat together. Midday meal accounts are periodically disclosed to parents. Purified drinking water has been provided in the school environment with the help of the government and the villagers so that the students are not infected with waterborne diseases in any way. A library of about 800 books has been built. Teachers teach non-syllabus children educational books to the students regularly and have made arrangements so that they can carry books with them home as per their need. The facility of regular hygiene and exercise are maintained. Teachers take extra responsibility in this case. Therefore, for the last 15 years, Kalanchi Junior Basic School has been acquiring a position among the primary schools in the circle in the annual sports competitions. With the government help, teachers' support and villagers' initiative, the school building and walks are painted with pictures of nature, portraits, and sayings of wise men to improve students' character formation and moral education. Originally, due to the tireless effort of Dr. Arup Mojumdar, the method of reading with the help of picture was a great response among the students. Children are deprived of that joy because of pandemic. Mojumdar's effort led to the arrangement of a birthday garden on the school premises, but that too has come to a halt due to this pandemic.